In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 70X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Then to play it, click on it. Manage all of those options however you want to, and to access even more options, go back and hold it here. Then adjust all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!